Good morning everyone. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing fine. In today's video, I'll talk about the difference between hard and soft G. The letter G is a consonant and it has two sounds. One is J sound, which is soft, and the other is G sound, which is hard. The sound that G makes depends upon the letter that follows it. General rule is that if the letter G is followed by I, E, Y, it makes soft J sound. If it is followed by any other letters, it makes the hard sound G. But it's also important to remember there are some exceptions to this rule. For example, the words like girl, gift, even though it is followed by the letter I, it makes the hard sound G. Let's take some of the words that starts with hard G sound and soft J sound. Goat, game, gap, glue, good, gum. In these cases, the letter G is not followed by I, E or Y. Now let us look at soft J sound words. Gym, gem, genius, giant, gist, germ. You can notice that in all these words, letter G is followed by I, E or Y. Let's take a look at some of the sentences which has soft J sound and hard G sound. Gina the giraffe got a gem. Gina the giraffe got a gem. You can ask your kid to read the sentence and circle the soft Ch sound and underline the K sound. So here it is Gina. So he has it is soft Ch, so he has to circle it. Giraffe, again it is soft, circle J. Got, it is hard, K sound, so he has to underline it. Gem, again it's a soft, so he has to circle it. Let's look at the next sentence. Give me a glass of orange juice. Give me a glass of orange juice. G is hard in give, so underline. Glass, it is hard sound. Orange, J. So it is a soft, so he has to circle it. Next one is the giraffe is eating the green leaves. The giraffe is eating the green leaves. Kid should read the sentence and he has to circle the soft J sound. In giraffe, the sound is soft J. The giraffe is eating the green. G is hard here. So he has to underline this one. The next worksheet to practice soft and hard G sound is this one. I have given here some words. Kid has to read these words and he has to write the words with K sound here and J sound on this side. So here it is goat, it is G, hard G, it goes here. Game, again it is hard G, so it goes here. Next is gist, it will go to soft J. So he has to write gist here. Gap, it is hard, it goes here. Next it is gem, it goes here, it is soft. Glue, hard G, it goes here. Gym will go on this side. Cage, middle the sound it is J, it goes here. Germ, again soft, goes here. Gum, hard G, it goes here. The next worksheet is to fill in the blanks. Some words are given here. Kid has to read the sentence and has to choose the right word to fill it. He is on the, so which word will go here? He is on the stage. So he has to write stage here. A blank is very tall. So which word will go here? A giraffe is very tall. Eggs go in the fridge. So he has to write it here. My ring has gem. A goose is at the gate. So that the last worksheet for today is this one. Kid has to read the sentence. He has to identify the words with J and K sound and write it here. For example, the first sentence is A pig is in the cage. So the word pig has hard g sound. So you have to write pig here is in the cage. This has soft j sound. So you have to write j here. Next sentence is I dance on the stage. In this sentence, this word stage has soft j sound. So it goes here. Third sentence. The third sentence is he's on the wrong page. So page has j sound. It is soft, so it will go here. Next sentence is that dog is huge. Dog, it has hard g sound. It goes here. Huge has soft j sound. It goes on this side. He gave her a gem. He gave her a gem. G is hard, so it goes here. Gem has soft ch, so it goes on this side. So that's all for today's video. I hope you like this video and find this video useful. If you like my channel, please give me a thumbs up, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to it. See you all again with another video. Thanks for watching.